Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where you just pick up your new iPhone 12 and you want to go ahead and factory reset it. Now, there are a couple of different ways to go about doing this. If you know the password, if you don't know the password, then obviously, you're going to have to know the password at some point. I'm going to be honest. So if you just stole an iPhone 12 or something like that and you're trying to reset it, this is not a way to remove that forgotten password. This is just a way for you to go ahead and reset your iPhone. Maybe you know the password, maybe you don't, but this is just a way to factory reset it, delete everything off of it except the iCloud account. So first of all, if you know your iCloud account, what I would recommend you doing is first of all go into the settings app. You want to go and click on whatever your username is up there. You want to go and click on Find My, and you want to turn off Find My iPhone. Now you will have to type in the iCloud email address associated and the password, so keep that in mind. You'll have to know those. So make sure this is turned off. Next, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and just sign out of your iCloud account by scrolling all the way down and clicking sign out. Now, you can go ahead and do whatever you need to, but just click sign out of your account. It'll go ahead and ask if you want to back up whatever. You can do it if you want to. But once everything is signed out, what we can do now is we can make our way over to our general app. So we can scroll down, we can click general, we can scroll down again, and we can click reset right here. And right here is where you want to click erase all content and settings. Now this is how you're going to delete everything off your phone. So make sure you back up everything before continuing on. You backed up your photos, apps, whatever you want to back up, you can back it up to a computer. But after you click that, everything is going to be deleted from this phone and there's no way you can go back. So what you want to do is you want to go and click erase all content and settings. You'll get this little pop-up or one like it. You want to go in and click erase now. You'll get this little pop-up and you can go and click erase iPhone, and at this point everything is going to be deleted from your phone. It'll go ahead and take a little bit of time. I'm not going to do it right now, but pretty much the process is it's going to take you back. It's going to delete everything off your phone. It's going to take a couple of minutes, so give it like 10, 20, even 30 minutes sometimes, and sooner than later you'll come back into that welcome screen, which was pretty much just a welcome screen when you first bought your iPhone. It's pretty much that same exact panel. Now on top of that, if you, let's say you don't know the password or your phone is stuck on a specific page and you don't know how to reset your phone or whatever, now I'll go ahead and show you exactly how to reset your phone if you don't know the password and if you can't get past a certain screen. So the very first thing you want to do is plug in your iPhone to your computer. If your iPhone is not plugged into your computer, you will not be able to do this. So you want to make sure that your iPhone is actually plugged into your computer. So I just went ahead and plugged my iPhone into this computer, and what you want to do at this point is you're going to want to press the volume up button, volume down button, and the power button at the same time until your phone fully gets into recovery mode. So this is pretty much the process, okay? You want to click the volume button, you want to click the volume up, volume down, and just hold down the power button itself. You're not going to be holding down more than one button at a time, so keep that in mind. And you're going to hold down the power button until your phone stops, until your phone shows the little computer icon here with the charging going through it, and you'll know what I mean in a second. So let's go ahead and do it. Volume up, volume down, and hold that power button until after this. You don't want to let go now. You want to keep holding the power button, and I'm not holding down any other volume, but I'm not holding the volume button or whatever. I'm just holding down the power button, and your phone will continue to boot up into the Apple logo screen, and you want to keep holding down that side button. You do not want to let go. So even during now, you want to keep holding. I'm still holding down that power button, and as long as your phone is plugged into your computer, you will get into this panel. So this is exactly where you want to be. Now, as long as you have iTunes or the Files app, or you have a Windows with iTunes on it, you will see that iTunes probably open up by itself, and you'll have a couple of different prompts. And from there, you can fully reset your device, you can restore your device, or you can go ahead and back it up and just restore whatever you want to do. You can go through this process without even knowing the password. But again, you're going to have to fully know the password at some point to log into the iCloud account. So that's exactly how to, factory reset / hard reset any iPhone 12. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys could hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything also, every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.